Each year we are asked by larger and larger groups if they can do a safari with us. So this year we've come up with our very own tractor and trailer rides. This allows us to take groups of up to 20 people. It will be a very gentle 1-hour ride around the farm, sat on traditional hay bales. You'll get to see where the badgers live, meet our friendly sheep, enjoy some homemade refreshments, and hopefully you'll have one heck of a lot of fun. Just ask these guys. Oh, but I think we got it, didn't we?